Nichiha products allowed us to bring our design to life, being able to have this really custom look to it that when friends and family see it are just amazed that this is something we were able to do as a DIY project, but yet it looks like something that you would have to have a very specialized set of resources to accomplish. Hi, I'm James Arenth, and in this project I'm both the homeowner and the builder. So my wife and I have three kids that are all teenage age, and so over the years we've lost access to space inside the house for use for office, for workout, creative space. So that was really the initial inspiration for doing the project, to add more space to our home and add value to the home. So as we were trying to decide how we were going to build and what materials we were going to use, we knew we were not going to be doing a cement block, right? Being DIY, I'd have no skill set in cement block, and it would be a wood frame. So we knew stucco was out. We did not want to have a wood finish, again, back to rot and holding up in the environment. So we naturally went towards fiber cement. If I was to describe, Nichiha, I would describe it as a high-tech solution. I think one of the best aspects of the overall system was the ultimate clip system and how it works for installing the panels. It's totally unique to me, but yet the ease of installation made it where I was able to take these large cement panels and have them applied to the structure with ease, right? And know that they were securely locked in. It did proper spacing off the sheathing to allow the rain screen. So if we did have water or any type of moisture penetration behind the panels, there's a natural way out for them. But then the other part of it was the fact that it's a completely hidden system. So once installed, you would never know there's there. So it didn't take away from the clean lines that we're looking for. And then long term, we're really looking forward to the lack of maintenance, right? So the fact that it's gonna hold up, especially in a harsh environment we are here in Florida with high heat, humidity, and a lot of rain. So when trying to decide what materials we're going to utilize to finish the inside, we went with shiplap on 3 of the walls, but we wanted something to pop and add a little bit of a design element to the project. So with using the architectural block, we were able to do a different material that not only has a different look to it, but a different texture and feel and touch to it, and really stands out. We chose to do the back wall so that way it's really what you see first when you walk into the studio. One thing I would do different is I would probably use the architectural panels on the interior on all the walls. I love the look of it. I would argue that the installation actually went a lot easier than even doing the shiplap, right? Shiplap had a lot of work to finish the material, trim it, and install it carefully not to damage the finish. Where using the panels across the inside, I think would have given a more seamless look and actually would have went easier overall. Working with the Nichiha team has been an excellent experience, from the initially requesting samples and understanding how pricing and options available to working with, delivery of the product. And then once delivery was complete and time for installation, once I had questions that weren't answered to me right away with a video or a document, there's nothing like being able to get on the phone. So being able to speak with a local field tech and explain items, have questions, offer to even come on site if need be to help with that was an excellent experience. So I felt that even being a DIY project, that I had a whole team behind me that was supporting it along the way.